Hello friends, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty. In this short video, we're going to discuss about Brampton real estate market update for the month of July 2020. So July month was crazy busy. It is not usual July which we see in last couple of years, because people are on vacations in the month of July and they go to their cottages and stuff. But with pandemic, second week of July, there's phase 3 reopening for province, and a lot of people were sitting in sidelines in the month of March and April, and all those buyers, they are coming now full force. So it's a seller's market out there. Most of the properties, they're selling pretty quick, less than 15 days, and the interest are still very low. So if we see a prime interest rate, for variable mortgages, it's like right now sitting at 2.45, and Bank of Canada overnight lending rate is 0.25. So for a high ratio mortgages, I see the clients being offered a rate of 1.99, 1.89. That's very common, and and also the jobs are very diversified in 905 area. So what we see with pandemic, a lot of couples or small families who are living in Toronto, now they are moving to suburbs, especially Brampton, Mississauga, which is not far from Toronto, and they want their backyards, and they want the option of outdoor pools or whatever, since people are not traveling. And we also seen increase in inventory last month and also in June, because sellers are not going on vacation. So they said might as well fix the house and put up for sale. There might be some people who might be affected with the job market and all. So at this point of time, they are just they know the mortgages has been deferred or government is helping them out. So things are right now pretty good. So they want to just cash out, put money in the pocket, and sit tight. So for last month of July 2020, total sales in Brampton were 1,022, and out of those ones, there's 670 detached homes. So detached homes, guys, they are growing very good. There's big demand for it. And out of 670 sales in Brampton last month, 436 homes were less than $1 million. So big chunk of those detached, they can, they're still very good price, less than million. Because if you see your neighbors, Mississauga, Burlington, Oakville, they're pretty expensive. They're, all over $1 million. So the average price for the month of July was 988,000 approximately for Brampton. And if I see selling price to listing price ratio is pretty much 100%. So typically the agents are underpricing property a little bit, holding offers, and especially with basement apartments, potential for rentals or office setup, in a good location, they are fetching 100% of listing price. And average days on the market for detached property was 15 days. As per Toronto Real Estate Regional Real Estate Board stats, on all the sales reported on MLS. And if we see semis, in total 213 semis were sold, because they're still very affordable in Brampton. And I see a lot of action in certain pockets, especially Sandalwood area. We call it a Sandringham, Wellington area. Or if you go a little down, Fletcher Meadows or Fletcher Creek, you can still pick up good semis at a reasonable price, because they are mature neighborhoods. And or you can buy a nice semi in Mount Pleasant or northwest of Sandalwood as well. So average selling price for semi was $765,000, and especially semis with 4 bedrooms, separate entrance, rental potential. There's aggressive demand for it. So selling price to listing price ratio was 102%. So they're selling pretty much over asking price in move-in condition, and average days on the market is 10 days. So if we see townhouses, there's tons of sales again in Sandalwood area, Heart Lake area close to Trinity Mall, because you can hop onto Highway 410, and also bordering Mississauga Brampton borders. So people want to commute, less commute, and then at the same time want rental potential and affordability. So average price point last month for townhouse was $711,000, and listing to selling ratios again 101%, and average days in the market is 13 days. And if we see condo apartment sales, there's 49 sales last month in 2020 July. Average price point 461 is still very affordable for starter families or investors, especially if I see close to Bramley City Center, what we call Queen Street Corridor. There's a bunch of buildings, Hanover, Knightsbridge, Lisa Court, they're good location. You just hop onto 410, and then if you go a little bit close to Sheridan College, or there's a couple of buildings down there, County Court, Fletcher Creek area, and then if you go to East End, in Gore Castlemore area, there's a bunch of buildings by Dayspring Circle, on Goreway Drive or Yorkland. So those are the pockets, where condos are still in great demand, because in Gore area, you can hop onto Highway 50 and then take 427 from there if you're a commuter. So those are a couple of good pockets, guys. So as I said, market is still very, very brisk, and obviously, buyers have a hard time finding a deal because there's none. People were expecting, pandemic is going to make the market crash pretty much. They're thinking 20% or more, but I don't see anything, because there's tons of demand in suburbs close to Toronto, whether it's Brampton, Mississauga, Burlington, Oakville, Hamilton. Even I'm seeing people coming to London, as far as London as well. So right now everything is hunky-dory and everything is good, and government is pumping money into it with different programs. We have mortgage deferrals, and they said 14% Canadians have deferred their mortgage payments. So in next couple of months, their mortgages, deferral will be finished. So does a SERP program. So we will see how the market goes. But for now, everything is good. And last, guys, I just want to tell you that we are not out of woods yet. So be very careful. Look into your finances. Talk to your mortgage broker. Talk to a real estate agent to see, even if you go multiple offers, pay over asking, the property will be appraised if your closing is long, because markets can be volatile. So if you have 4 or 5 months closing, and down the line America is in an election year as well, so things can change pretty quickly. So and at the same time, if you're in a market to get a refinance your property, to get a mortgage, we have in-house brokers. So if you want a second opinion, give us a call. Or if you're in a market to sell your property for top dollar, give me a call. My number is 647-961-2639. And I've been helping my clients get top dollar for their property for last 15 years. And we offer very aggressive marketing and commission plans. And if you have further questions, you can reach me at my website www.supermaxrealty.ca. And if you're a landlord looking to find a suitable tenant, we have property management company, and we will do all the due diligence for you. So reach out to us, and enjoy beautiful summer weather. Talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.